If your toilet sounds like a jet engine, congrats, you're probably flying. So why are airplane toilets so loud? Well, in the sky, traditional plumbing just won't cut it. Instead, airplanes use vacuum suction to flush. It's like a tiny, powerful tornado. See, up there, air pressure is different. The toilet uses a vacuum to suck everything out quickly and efficiently. It's the same technology that keeps space toilets working. Crazy, right? So, next time you hear that roar, remember, it's science at full blast. No need to worry, it's just how planes keep things clean and tidy. Subscribe for more high-flying facts. #FactBombs.